BLRX stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I am the only person in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. And I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I have all the proof on my YouTube channel. Ultimately, BLRX, it's nice. It's very good actually. Like, finally saw the first break taking place here on the daily chart. And then this opens me up for a lot of opportunity, but when I see this sort of volume, I'm like very, very iffy, because what the hell is this, right? There's not enough volume here. Now, even if I would like to prefer to use my type 2 confirmation, this will still need to kind of show me, man, something, because this is like literally nothing now. And I guess I'll just have to wait it out. Because yeah, type 2 confirmation 100% could work. It's not like it has not worked before. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. Because you know, man, in trading there's two games. There is getting inside the trade game and there's managing the trade game. If you want to learn both, if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.